How to create a Facebook broadcast channel. To create a Facebook broadcast channel, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your device. Now you simply have to switch to your profile page or page profile. From there, you simply have to go to the main feed and scroll down to the channel button located below the all posts or your post option. Once you find it, all you have to do is now tap the create channel option and also make sure that you are eligible for this feature, or else you won't be able to find that option over here. Now once you tap the create option, you simply have to now open your Messenger application, tap the menu button or the three horizontal lines, select your page to switch over to your professional business inbox. Then tap the create channel icon and then enter your channel's name, then tap create. Now you simply have to trigger the first broadcast. Open your new channel thread, type a welcome message, or create an interactive poll. Hit send, and then you simply have to promote your channel link by sharing it to your post or story. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.